I recently asked a local cosmetic dentist here in Whangarei, Dr. Dennis Shepherd, to explain what are dental crowns and dental bridges.
A crown is a little hat, basically. It's like a crash helmet we put over the tooth. We put a reinforcing hat over the tooth to try and keep a tooth that's broken down substantially and try and make it last as long as possible. If you look over here, I've got a very, very lovely informative poster which shows that where a tooth is broken down either from a large filling in the tooth or from having a root canal treatment, we put the tooth effectively in like a pencil sharpener. We drill it off to a very specific shape, take a mold with a laser scanner. I use the latest in digital scanning technology. We take a laser scan of the tooth, we email it off to my technician, and he will make a little hat that we glue over the tooth, either in ceramic or metal.
Yep.
And I'll show you what they look like now. But here is a model of a crown. This particular tooth was prepared for a crown. We have a ceramic hat. This is pure glass. If we hold it up, the light will shine through it.
That's good. Yeah.
And if I can get the right angle on there, that is then glued over the tooth, and it acts exactly the same as a crash helmet going over.
And that's a new tooth.
Yeah, and it's glued on, and it's as strong as the tooth was, or if not stronger.
Excellent.
And we can do them in single teeth or in multiple teeth, which is also in ceramic.
And that would be a bridge, wouldn't it?
This is a bridge, yes. A bridge is like a road bridge. It's held on either side of the road with the bridge part in between. So we have a dummy tooth that sits in between the two teeth, held together and glued on with a special glue in epoxy resin. I have the old style bridge which we used to use before the ceramics, which has a metal skeleton underneath it, which is quite strong, and then on top of that we fire porcelain so it looks like natural teeth. And we then glue that over the root stumps. This is what a tooth looks like after it's been crowned. We glue it on and it looks and functions like a normal tooth. And provided you brush and floss it in these little areas down here, it will last a long time. We expect it to last probably 10-15 years provided you brush and floss.
Yeah, it's important to maintain them.
If you don't maintain them, they don't last very well, unfortunately.
Okay.